As you know kids that our first sound basket is completed and I hope that you are able to recognize the sound well. So let's come towards its exercises. So open the page number 29, this one. Okay, on this page you will have to mention the date first like this. After that our first exercise is circle the object related to the sound. Now on the first row you see that the sound bar is giving and there are three pictures in front of the sound bar, but there is only one picture which is correct according to the sound. Okay, so so let's move to the pictures. Bone, car, kite. Friends, is does the kite starts from the sound bar? No. Does the car starts from the sound bar? No. Does the bone starts from the sound bar? Yes. Bone. So circle it. Okay. Now come to the next sound. L. The sound is L. Does the flower starts from the sound L? No. Does the ladder starts from the sound L? Yes. Ladder. Circle it. Now come to the next sound. H. H. Now look at the picture. Pan, cone, horse. H. Horse. Does the sound horse starts from the sound H? Yes. H. Horse. Now come to the next sound. K. K. Now come to the pictures. Bird, cat, pig. Does the bird starts from the sound K? No. Does the cat starts from the sound K? Yes. K, cat. So circle it. Now come to the next. O. O. The sound is O. The ostrich starts from the sound O. Yes. Ostrich. Okay. Now come to the next. The sound is. Does the gift starts from the sound? No. Does the fire starts from the sound? Yes. Fire. Okay. Now the last sound is wo. Wo. The pictures are balloon, yacht, window. Does the balloon starts from the sound wo? No. Does the yacht starts from the sound wo? No. Does the window starts from the sound wo? Yes. Window. Now circle it. Now come to the next page, page number 30. On this page you will have to mention the date 6, 9. Okay. Now come to the exercises. The exercises relate the sound with the correct object, then color them. Okay. Uh, so you see that the sound is giving in the tags. This one, the sounds are giving in the tags. Okay, and there are 6 to 7 pictures in each circles, but not all the pictures are started from the giving sounds. So let's see which pictures starts from the giving sounds. Now let's see. Button, ball, balloon, bone, bag. Now relate the picture with the sound. Next, after that you color it. Okay, you color the picture like this. Now you color all the pictures which starts from the sound b. Okay, like this. After that come to the next sound l. The sound is l. This sound is giving in the dark. Now let's see which is pictures start from the sound l. Log, lamp, ladder, leaf. Okay, now color these pictures. After that the sound h is giving h. Heart, hat, hut, hand. Now color all these 4 pictures. Just like that sound wo is giving. Now let's see. Wo window, wo warm, wo wall, wo watch, Now come to the next sound. The sound is 5, fan, 4, fish, finger, flag. Now color all these pictures which starts from the sound f. Now the sound A is giving in the tag. So let's see which thing starts from the sound O. A octopus, a orange. Okay. Now come to the last sound. Sound K is giving. Now let's see which thing starts from the sound K. K cake, K cone, K cup, K candle, K cap, K carrot. Okay. Now color all these pictures which starts from the sound K.